What I'd like to hear from y'all is yes, fitness is very important for anything to do in life. I'd like to know your take on fitness and how did you actually train for the film?
See, I've been training for the past 10 years now. I first hit the gym when I was 14 years old, and it's been my dream and my passion, and it's been my meditation, working out, weight training, and cardio, and all of that. So, actually, Sylvester Stallone was a big inspiration in my life. After I saw his film Rambo and Rocky, I wanted a body like him. Then I saw this documentary called Pumping Iron. I think everyone has seen it. Everyone who loves Arnold has seen that documentary. So I saw that documentary and I was like, man, I want to be like this man someday, you know. And I tried my best. And yes, to look like a hero, you have to be fit. And see, there are a lot of people who are, they have everything in their life, but they aren't fit. And what's the point when you have everything, but you still have people behind your back speaking, talking bad about you? It's okay, you don't need six packs, but just be fit, just be presentable, that's it. Yeah, it sounds easy, but it's not. You have to sacrifice on a lot of things. You have to sacrifice on your food, you have to sacrifice on your time, you have to sacrifice on going out at night. So if you want to look fit and be fit, you have to sacrifice a few things. But the most important thing for fitness, I think, is your diet. If your diet is right, then you don't need to work that hard on your body. Because I've seen people work so hard doing the same things that I'm doing, or maybe more, but not looking in shape at all. Yeah.
So tell us, what did you do in terms of your routine, morning to evening, in training for the film?
In training for the film, actually, I had to look a certain way. I actually wanted to look like Rambo, so I trained that way. I did my cardio in the morning. They say empty stomach cardio and all of that, but I used to eat and do my cardio as long as I did my cardio. And then weight training in the afternoon around 4 o'clock. And then I had my martial arts in the evening. I train 6 days a week, but on Sundays I live next to the beach, so I do my sprints. I do around 5 or 6 sprints, and sprinting really helps. Yes. Yeah, and Pumping Iron. Pumping Iron had Gold's Gym. They call it the Mecca of bodybuilding. And Gold Gym has always been there for so long. Gold Gym was actually the first gym I ever wanted to join, but I think I was too young. I don't think 40, I was 14, so I wasn't allowed in a gym then. So I had my own gym at home. I had my set of dumbbells and all of that. But I've been training at Gold's, and I'm getting free membership, so that's good. And the equipments and the trainers and the entire environment, the music is amazing, and you get to see fit people over here, so you can get inspired too. Yeah.
Well, somebody was saying that you love doing martial arts.
Yes.
Do you do it? There's someone here who said he's going to show me a few moves. Is Mohsin around? So show us a few moves in martial arts.
Mohsin, for me?
Yep.
I'm wearing jeans.
What else can you show us in fitness?
In fitness,
He can do push-ups really well.
I can. Anyone can do it. We're at Gold's Gym.
No, but you look really strong when you do it.
No,
What about lifting weights?
I can lift weights. Yeah. What do you want to lift?
You have a weight right here.
I'm wearing a skirt.
That's all I can do.
Try to sing bicep lifts.
सुनील शेट्टी सर की हड्डी है। बोल दिया इसने, पर हमारी फिल्म परसों रिलीज़ हो रही है, थर्सडे फ्राइडे को, तो ये फ्राइडे प्लीज़ हमें सपोर्ट देना। और अगर family film, it's a romantic family film, so you can go with your brothers, your sisters, your dada, dadi, whoever you want to go with. And if I have inspired you even a little bit, if you see my introduction, I would want you guys to train like me and be like me. So, and thank you for the dance, like really, thank you. Yes.
खाने जाते हैं पर्सोना वाइज, क्या उनसे आपने कोई टिप्स लिए थे अपने आप को वर्कआउट करने के लिए, अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए?
मैंने इनफैक्ट उनके साथ कोशिश की है वर्कआउट करने की, पर सलमान सर का इतना एक्सपीरियंस है बॉडी बिल्डिंग में, क्योंकि एक्चुअली स्टार्ट ही उन्होंने किया था। उनके बाद आए ऋतिक सर, उनके बाद फिर टाइगर है, और फिर अभी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। तो सलमान सर के साथ मैंने एक बार कोशिश की थी वर्कआउट करने की, फिर कान पकड़ लिया कि मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी फिट, and to be at that level, to be so busy with his work and then still look fit, and I think he's the fittest Bollywood actor we have, but I haven't taken any tips from him. My only inspiration has been Sylvester Stallone, and I've only been following him. Yes.
जैसे आपने कहा कि कई चीज़ों से सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ता है, खाने में भी बहुत कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हमें उससे छोड़ना पड़ता है, तो आपने किस चीज़ का सेक्रीफाइस किया था?
Carbs में बिरयानी है, पुलाव है, पराठे है, then chocolates are there, then sometimes you can't have sweets, you can't have your own birthday cake, you can't eat when you're shooting. So yeah. Aquin, run! Run!
सूरज आजा यहाँ
मोटिवेट कैसे करते हैं? मोटिवेट कैसे करते हैं आप?
मोटिवेट खाली फिट रहना है बस, क्योंकि बॉडी बिल्डिंग मेरे लिए एक स्टडी बन गई है, मेरे एक लाइफ की एक रूटीन बन गई है। तो 10 साल हो गए ऑलमोस्ट अभी, तो जब नहीं करता हूँ तो बहुत गिल्टी फील होता है। तो एक्चुअली मोटिवेशन तो नहीं है, पर जब खुद को फिट देखता हूँ तो आई जस्ट फील गुड, यू नो। मार्शल आर्ट्स करता हूँ, टाइकोंडो किया है मैंने, मणिपुर में ट्रेनिंग ली है मैंने, ब्लैक बेल्ट एग्ज़ाम वो सब वहाँ पे मैंने किया है। जहाँ पे मैरी कॉम ने ट्रेन किया है वहाँ ही ट्रेन किया है मैंने, खुमन लद्दाख इन मणिपुर।
बी योरसेल्फ।
सलमान सर ने बोला है बस जो दिल में आता है वो बोलो और बी ऑनेस्ट, दैट्स इट। आई टॉकिंग अबाउट द गाइज? I don't know sexy, but I think Deepika is really fit. I think Shraddha is really fit, and the boys, I think Varun and Tiger are really fit. Yes. हाँ, ये अच्छा सवाल पूछा। मेरा एक ट्रेनर है, दो ट्रेनर है मेरे, एक विकास बरुआ है और एक राजीव सिंह है। उनकी वजह से मैं आज इस स्टेज पे खड़े रह के ये पोस्टर पे जो भी हूँ मैं उनकी वजह से ही हूँ, क्योंकि और एक चीज़ है, अगर आप अपना ट्रेनर का हाथ पकड़ो तो वो ट्रेनर का हाथ कभी छोड़ना मत, क्योंकि वो ट्रेनर आपकी बॉडी आपसे अच्छा जान लेता है। एंड टू मेक अ गुड बॉडी यू नीड अ वेरी गुड टीम, एंड आई थिंक राजीव सिंह एंड विकास बरुआ डिजर्व ईच एंड एवरी थिंग दैट आई हैव। मेरे को जो भी तारीफ करता है वो उनको करना चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं करना चाहिए। बट डेफिनेटली यू कैन टेक माई हार्ड वर्क फ्रॉम दिस, बट द क्रेडिट गोज टू दैम। किरदार तो नहीं मालूम, पर आई वुड लाइक डूइंग अ फिल्म लाइक भाग मिल्खा भाग, डेफिनेटली।